Next we're going to show you how to make a loudspeaker, and for this you'll need 2 crocodile leads, the ones that came with the Voltage Vegetables kit, your coil of enamelled wire, 2 disc rare earth magnets, the jack plug in the kit, and also a sound source. I've got a small digital portable CD player and radio here, although you can use anything with an earphone jack socket in it, such as an MP3 player or an iPod. The first thing to do is to take off the outer casing of the jack plug. This will expose 2 contacts inside. Then we can turn on our radio. And you'll notice, of course, that the sound stops when we put the plug into the earphone socket. We can then connect our 2 crocodile leads to the 2 separate contacts on the jack plug. Next, we have to actually make a loudspeaker, and we're going to do this with the coil of enamelled wire. So open the coil out, and then we're going to wrap it around a suitable former. I'm going to use this marker pen. Having straightened out your wire, wind it around your former, leaving about 50 to 60 millimeters, 5 or 6 centimeters spare. Wind it as tightly as you can. You should get about 40 turns around whatever former you choose, if it's of a similar size. When you've finished, you can slide the new coil, leaving another tail on there. You can slide the new coil off the former and just put the wire through a couple of times to keep everything in place. You can do the same with the other end as well. The next thing to do is to take the ends of the wire and clean off the enamelled coating with a pair of scissors like I'm doing here. Make sure that all the enamel's removed and you can see the shiny wire underneath. Do this to the ends of both pieces of wire and then connect them using the crocodile clips to the jack plug. Now, by taking your 2 rare earth magnets and placing them inside the coil, you've created a loudspeaker. And although the sound is too quiet for us to hear it on this video, if you put your ear close to that, even just sitting on a desk like this, you'll hear the sound of the radio coming through. Although it's quiet, the quality should be very high. To improve the loudness, you can connect your magnets to any surface, possibly even the box that this kit came in. If you put one magnet inside and one magnet outside, they'll hold themselves in place very nicely. And then if you put your coil on top of the magnet there and place your ear to the box, you should be able to hear, just faintly, the sound of the radio coming through. What we'd like you to do is to experiment with different sizes and different shapes of coil. Maybe you could add another magnet. Will this make a difference? Does whatever you have the surface that you have the magnets on make a difference to the quality or the volume of the sound? Write into the forums and let us know how you get on with your loudspeaker kit.